Come on, come on, come on, Chucho. I know you can did it. Come on, Chucho. I know you can did it. 15 minutes time. Come on, Chucho. I know you can did it. Come on. If we get to the yellow zone, I'm looking to exit this trade. So already I'm milking more because once I get to the yellow zone, that means I will be collected roughly 90 pips. Yeah, roughly 90 pips, and I'm sitting at a balance of 220. Let me just say 220 for my sake, because I don't know that it will actually push to 220, and also showcase where I'm coming from.